Hi everyone, I'm Alexi.
And I'm Arie. This Sunday is Father's Day.
So we're practicing how to make pancakes for our papa. The ingredients you'll need are sugar, baking powder, salt, melted butter, 1 egg, flour, and milk. You will also need a sifter or a mesh strainer for the flour. First, we sifted the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt together. We forgot to add the salt, so we added it in after sifting. Sifting the flour helps mix all the ingredients together, and it also makes the pancakes fluffier. Now we put in the salt and stirred it up. Next, we added the milk, the egg, and the melted butter. We melted the butter in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds. Stir until the mixture is smooth. For the next part, our mom helped us. She heated a frying pan on medium heat, added a little oil, and used a gigantic spoon called a ladle to pour the batter into the pan. When the pancake batter starts to get little bubbles, you can flip it over and brown the other side. Flip again if you want it more brown. Take the pancakes off the pan. They taste better when they're hot.
The pancakes are done.
Now let's test it.
This is going to be a great Father's Day surprise.
Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe.